Hey guys, it's Mr. Mini Painter here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm not going to be talking about any models that I'm painting, but about the upcoming summer and the fact that I'm going to take it easy for just a couple of weeks. So I'm not gone, I will be back with a lot more videos, but I'm going a bit slow for the next few weeks and enjoy my family, enjoy the holidays and give the painting a bit of a rest maybe as well. And in the next few months we're going to be coming back with a lot more of the same and a lot more new stuff. So what you can expect in this channel is a lot more Lord of the Rings, the Middle-earth strategy battle game miniatures that we'll be painting. The new ones that are coming out, the old ones that I still have lying around, so even the metal ones. I love painting the classics. There will still be Marvel Crisis Protocol, but I'm also posting them on my Patreon page. So if you're interested and you want to get the newest video as quick as possible, just give my Patreon page a visit and you can see them appearing there as well, and they will come to the YouTube channel later that year. With a pause of a couple of months, let's say half a year. So they will still be available on my channel. Now, a new addition to the channel will be the StarCraft videos, the StarCraft miniature board game, and you have been able to see the Zeratul painting tutorial of the exclusive miniature that came earlier this year, and it has been watched quite some times and I got some very nice responses to it. So I ordered the entire box, everything there is to it. I really love this StarCraft game, the board game. I grew up playing the StarCraft video game 25 years ago, I guess, and yes, I'm that old. And when this miniature game started to be announced, I was immediately excited. They look very nice. They're a bit larger than your average, for example, Lord of the Rings character. And of course the Terrans will be a bit smaller than the Zerg or the Protoss. I'm not really sure how they measure, I'm not really good at that. But anyway, they will be a lot of fun to paint. I've seen the videos and the announcements and the photos and they look amazing. So I can't wait for it to be delivered and start painting, and I'm going to show you guys how that works out. So that will all be here exclusively on my YouTube channel. Along with the Lord of the Rings videos that will still be coming weekly or every 2 weeks. And like always, if you have any requests, please send them to me, because I'm not afraid to say more or less the entire collection of the Lord of the Rings miniatures, except one or two very hard to find ones, but I'm able to paint whatever I have lying around. So if you have any requests, don't hesitate to ask and just reach out to me and I'll see if I still have it and paint it for you. So with that being said, so the Lord of the Rings will still come to the channel, the StarCraft videos will come to the channel. Every now and then the Batman videos will arrive from my Patreon page to my YouTube channel, as well as the Marvel Crisis Protocol games, which I'll be painting still and post on my Patreon page as an exclusive content. And then in about 4 to 6 months later, they will arrive on my YouTube channel for you to watch for free. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, please check out that Patreon page, because I have a lot of early access videos, for example the Batman and Marvel Crisis Protocol videos, but also a lot of games that are not on my YouTube channel and might be interesting for you to check out. First of all, there is Zombicode, The Boys from the TV show The Boys, which was a lot of fun to paint because they are so recognizable and they look so amazing. There's The Boys and the Seven, and you can paint all of them. I'm going to show you a new video every month. There's a lot still, there's a lot already on the channel, so you can check them out if you want. We have The Witcher, Path of Destiny, which was an amazing game. I have been playing The Witcher 3. I think that was my first real game that I played on the PS4, I guess. So I've read the books, of course, in the old days, or still actually. And when this new board game came out, I was very excited. I had missed The Old World, which was the first board game issued by CD Projekt Red. So I jumped in at the second edition, The Path of Destiny, which was the second release of the game, and it was so much fun to play. It's a kind of story-driven role-playing game, more or less, which you take choices. You can play alone or with 2 or up to 5 players, I think, and all of the characters from your favorites will they're in there. So there's Vesemir, there's Ciri, there is of course the Witcher himself, Roach, not to forget. So a lot of those guys are all in there, and they are so well done, and they really resemble the game, as well as the TV show actually, because it was really well done. And I've made a lot of video tutorials on how to paint those. There is this beautiful play mat with the board game that you can place your miniatures on and the cards to keep track of your game and the storyline, and so that is amazing. So please check it out because it's very worth your while. So on the Patreon page we have the Marvel Crisis Protocol as mentioned, The Boys as mentioned, The Witcher as mentioned, Gotham City Chronicles as we talked about before, but there's more. We've got Masters of the Universe, which is recently came to my attention. It's a game issued by Archon Studios, and I had completely missed that. The game title is called The Fields of Eternia, and it contains all of your Masters of the Universe heroes and villains, which is amazing. So there's He-Man, there's Skeletor, there's all of those guys, everybody you know from the old days. It's a joy to paint because they are so colorful, they are so well done. And I have yet to play the board game actually, but I couldn't resist buying this box and painting those miniatures. There is actually this Castle Grayskull dice tower with it as well, as a separate edition, I have to say. But I'm gonna paint everything and everything there is to it. So the first few videos are already on my Patreon page, so you can check them out if it's worth your while. The He-Man one was also on my YouTube channel, and you can check it for free as well on my Patreon page. And then there is another Batman game called The Batman from the latest movie called The Batman, with the younger Batman, Catwoman, the Penguin with his origin story later on as a TV show. So all these characters are so well done, and I decided to buy that box as well. I think it's issued by Night Models, which has gone bankrupt in the last year, at least we guess. So, but either way, the game is still for sale and is a lot of fun, and it looks amazing. So by request, actually, I'm going to paint this game as well, and it's going to be added to the channel very soon. So there is 5 to 6 videos every month, so that's really worth your buck, so to say. But you can follow the channel for free and just jump in at any point if you want. Or just keeping track of whatever I'm doing, if that's up to you. And your support means everything to me, because this hobby is extremely expensive, as you all know, and I'm not making any money, but I'm making these videos. But I'm really enjoying the hobby, and I want to help you guys enjoy it as much as I am and have been doing for the past 25 years. So with that being said, I'm going to enjoy my summer holidays, and I hope to see you at the end of the summer with a release of a ton of new videos, as well on my YouTube channel, also on my Patreon page. And I'm going to keep processing your requests, so please keep sending them to me. And I hope to see you at the end of the summer. And please keep giving all your love and your support, because that means everything to me. That's the reason I'm doing this. So for now, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your summer, and I hope to see you at the end of it with a lot of new content. Bye bye!